Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing my first unboxing. Haven't done one of these before, so bear with me if it seems a little bit long-winded and I don't know, doesn't look like I know what I'm doing. I don't. Anyway, today we're unboxing a 4-foot LED whip. It's from Gorilla Whips. Now, as you can see in the background here is the car that it's going to go on. Now, it's not an off-road buggy, but a car. Now, with these little cars, one of my bigger fears is being squashed on the road like a bug. Some mum in an SUV, soccer mum, SUV, not looking, and yeah, look, I'm just going to go under the wheels because the thing's only 25 inches off the ground. So I looked around at what could make it more visible. A bright paint job wasn't an option because, well, I just don't like them. So I looked around at these whip aerials that I'd seen on YouTube up in the American dunes. Now these people have got these big buggies and they're huge LED lit up whips, and I thought, hey, that is perfect for my little car. So I looked around on the internet and I found Gorilla Whips. Now the people up there couldn't be more helpful in helping me. They went out of their way and they're really great to deal with. I suggest if you like what I've got, go onto their website and take a look around. You will be impressed. Now I ordered the 4-foot LED Extreme. So they do these 6-foot whips, 3-foot whips and 4-foot. Now 4-foot is about what I need. I don't want the 6-foot because it's too big and the 3-foot's obviously too small. I also ordered up the wired mounted remote, so it can just be sitting in my dash and I can pick and choose all the different colours that I want. Heaps of different colours. Also got the Bluetooth controller so it can Bluetooth off my phone, and the LEDs can dance to the music. Yeah, I know, but hey, it's a whole lot of fun, isn't it? And a rocker switch. So, let's get on with it. I have to put these on, unfortunately, because I can't really see. And let's open this up. Try and avoid getting my fingers caught. Well, that's never a good thing. Blood on your first video. I know some of you are probably going to comment on the fact that I've been using a razor blade and not that, but that's blunt. Okay, first up, we've got the whip. Now these are incredibly flexible. They don't break, and I've seen them get hammered by trees and everything, so they are really cool. Mounted to the body, you pull the pin, mount comes off so you can take it off. It's got a quick release, a little pinch tail, quick release, so you can take that off and store it away when you don't want it. If you're going on a journey, a long trip, you're doing motorway work, then this, just put it on and you're suddenly very visible again. Slots in there like that quite nicely. Got mounting brackets and an aerial. Sorry, the flag. Flags are changed easily. As you can see, they just anyway go on like that. And we have time. Now I have seen other people say that you should put a little spot of glue on these so they don't fly off. Feeling how loose that is, that's probably a really good idea. What else have we got? So next up is your rocker switch. This sits up in your dash. That'll, when you want it on, boom, there you go, you just flick it on. This one I've spec'd up to be lit up green. I like the colour green and I think it looks good on satin black. We get to do 2 unboxings. Alright! Okay, we have instructions, probably use them later on at some stage, maybe. Right, so there's our Bluetooth remote, as you can see. Lots of different colours to spec from. And you can do flash, strobe, fade, smooth. You can make it dance to music. There's your controller, there's the pig's tail, goes into the bottom of it. Obviously there's the opposite end to this, when you're getting it wired in. And last but not least, so that's for setting off your LEDs. So you've got demo mode that will set them off. So once again, we'll have to look at all the instructions. Once we're mounted it up, we'll do another video. But as you can see, this is going to be, let's raise the camera. Always put your safety locks in on your hoist. You've got to be safe. So this will give you an idea of just how low this car is to the ground. The wheels at the moment aren't bolted on, so I'm not going to put it right down. Just have the fronts touching the ground. So this will get bolted to here on the back, and that should give me enough light and enough height to be able to be seen on the road, which is after all what we want. Okay, thank you very much, and remember, if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe, and we'll be putting up more videos later on. Thank you very much.